Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class we discussed about the questions part, how to create the questions. In this class I am going to make the exam part, right? Here first what I am going to do is, in this class I am going to show you how to load the questions, right? How to load the questions, right? So first what I am going to do is here, first I am going to go to the source. First I am going to establish a database connection first, right? So let's go to the student.java this class source. We have to copy this one, connection, control C to copy, back to test.java, control V to paste here, right? This is the this one. Okay. Here we have to copy this one, this one, result set all the stuff we needed, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? Now the error is go away, right? Perfect. After that what I am going to do is here, I am going to write the query right here, okay? With the connection I am going to write the query. After that, when the connection is established, we have to load the we have to separate, we have to put it this one, load the question, right? We have to create the method load questions, right? So we have to write separate, we have to write public void load questions method, right? Okay, so perfect. Now here what I am going to do is here, first we have to write the query string query, we have to write query equal select all from questions. We have to load the questions, right? So you have to write the, after that you have to write the statement class, right? So we have to write statement class, statement stat equal null. We have to write statement class equal null, right? We have to create the object of statement class, right? You have to establish the namespace, right? After that what I am going to do is here, we have to write here statement object equal connection dot create back statement, right? Now here what I am going to do is, you have to write the result set object. You have to write result set object, you have to create the already here rs, you have to get the result set object rs here. So you have this one, you have to add it here, try and catch, sound with the try and catch, result set object rs equal stat statement dot execute query. Here we have to write this query, you have to paste it here. After that you have to write while loop, while rs dot next. Here we have to write inside the while loop, we have to write, first we have to write the text box's name. First we have to load the question id here. This is a question id, j label 3 dot set text. You have to write set text. Here we have to write rs dot get string first one mean what is the column, id is a 1, right? After that the same thing, control C to copy, control C to paste here. Second one should be the question number, right? This one should be j label 2, this label 2, this is 2 mean rs2 mean understand question, right? Database column will be starting position of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So this is the position of 2, right? Understand the concept, right? Our same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Now here what I am going to do is here, this one should be the radio button, so we have to change the name here, right? This one R1, this one R2, simply we have to R2. Rather than writing the full one, we have to change it as, it is simply we have to write R4, right? That is the stuff you have to write, okay? So you have to write that one, this one should be R1 radio button, right? R1 dot set text rs, right, the same thing, this one should be the 3 mean option 1, right? We have to fill off these ones. So here same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, R2, 4, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it, R3, 5, R6, R4, 6, 6, right? 6. Correct answer. We have to create one variable for it. Here I am going to create the variable above correct answer, right? So you have to correct equal null. This one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, equal rs dot get string 7. Right. This is the thing we have to do. Right first. After that, here we have only one row. There are many questions are available. First question only will be loaded. Right. So here we have to write for. I am going to comment it for one row only. This is very important stuff while you are loading the questions, right? Here after that break, it is break. It is not loading the remaining. Also only the one row we have to load. So only one row. This one only one row, right? If there are plenty of questions available, it's ignore them. Only the load first question only, right? So that's the stuff we have to do. That is load question. We have to Control C to copy. We have to paste it here. The same thing, the connection as well. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. Questions. Right click. Not question. It's a test. No, I forgot. Right. It's not question. It's a question. Test. Right click. Test. Why was this not wrong? Connection null. Online exam does not exit. What is the problem? Right. Here the problem is the questions. This is not a question. This is a questions. That's the problem, I think. Now let's again run it. Right, here it's working perfectly. Here it's working. This is the first question. This is the first here. This one should be the here. These things, right? Okay. This is the stuff we have to load the form. Right. Very simple stuff. You must try this one. Right. We will be do the rest of part in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.